32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. 36 shades, I think? Okay. And these are available in 4. And so this product has 0.2. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? In today's video, as the title says, we are doing a Lipsense kind of no smudge, no transfer, no kind of budge lip product that was sent to me by a friend of mine, a personal friend of mine. And I'm also going to feature and test out a product that removes lips from Cosmetics just to see if it works or not, because I do have that product as well. But let's get into this video. My name is Heather Rar. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and I am a makeup explorer. I do reviews and tutorials and all that stuff on new products as well as super old products, just because I've never tried a lot of older products and I still want to try them out, especially because they're still out and still available to everyone. So in today's video though, this is a product that I've never heard of. I don't think many people promote it, or from what I've seen, but I do know there are a few videos out there on this product, and it seems like a beautiful kind of lip product that I've seen online and on my friend's website. But if you want more information on how to order any of these, then go ahead and follow my friend Gail Cruz, otherwise known as Luxe Beauty on Instagram. I will link down all of her information down in the description box if you would like to purchase some of these products, and also if you have any other questions that I can't provide for you. But let's get into it. Okay, so the package comes in this super cute metallic pink kind of protective packaging, which super cute, props on that. And then what comes in it is a booklet of the Scene Derm Skin. And I only have the lip product, so I am going to skip to this information here. But it does look like it does have a bunch of products that are all over the face. Skin products, makeup, brow products, eyeshadow products. But in today's video, I did get sent a bunch of Lipsense products, which is also in this book, and we're going to go ahead and talk about it. So this is the packaging that the lip products did come in. Also, pink little cute little pouch, and I have 4 lip colors and 2 glosses in here that I will show you in just a bit. But let's talk about the product first, just because I want to inform myself, and I also want to inform you guys what's going on in this video. So Lipsense Lip Color is this here. This is the packaging. Retails for $25 each. It is the Lipsense Lip Color, which is a premier product of Scene Gents and is unlike any conventional lipstick, stain, or color. As the original patented long-lasting lip color, it is waterproof, does not kiss off, smear off, or budge off. So this product alone has 0.25 ounces, which is 7.4 milliliters. And it does contain peony root extract, which is a natural calming flower herb, St. John wort's extract, a natural herb with antibacterial and skin healing properties, linden flower extract, which is a powerful antioxidant. And these are available in a variety of textures, which is frost, matte, or shimmer. Okay, so there are 36 shades that I think are available from what I see in this booklet, but I was sent 4 shades. I'm going to go ahead and swatch all of these shades, and then after I apply the last shade, I am going to test it out by eating and drinking and kissing my babies and see how it works. I also do want to mention that I did get sent 2 different lip glosses. I believe there are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 different lip glosses that you can purchase, and they retail for $20. And I have the glossy option and the rose gloss. So we're gonna go ahead and use those as well. And they are the same size as the lip colors, and they have shea butter and vitamin E in the formula. So let's go ahead and apply the products now and swatch all of these for you. Something I have to say is, if you are going to be doing a video like this, and if you do have super sensitive lips, then this product might not work for you, because the lip color itself is like, it has like an alcohol in it, and it kind of burns your lips if you scrub them too much. But the lip gloss also complements and makes up for it, because after you put on the lip gloss, it feels like that pain has gone away completely. You don't feel anything on your lips, and it feels comfortable. So the lip gloss is very soothing. I would definitely recommend the lip gloss for sure for everyone. And I have dry to normal skin, so I do have dry lips, so I do tend to go for more moisturizing products. So I don't know if the e.l.f. remover, lip color remover, I don't know if it worked or not, but I did have to kind of scrub off my lips and also use that body wipe, which is meant for the body, but I know. I did use it paired with this lip color remover to remove the product from my lips, and it did work. So but the Lipsense does offer a lip remover itself. It does retail for $10, and I didn't even know that, so I definitely need to get that, because these lip colors are pretty cool. And I'm curious to see if it will transfer or not, so let's go ahead and see if it transfers. I did make myself a tuna bagel. So I am going to take a bite of this and see if my lip comes off. So let's do that. Lipcolor. Let's drink something. Runa. I'm gonna drink my favorite tea. It's by Runa. The unsweetened lime flavor. It's one of my favorite teas right now. Shout out to Runa for making these amazing drinks. No transfer. No transfer. That's pretty cool. So you see this boy. His name's Antonio. I'm gonna kiss him like I always kiss him when I don't have lipstick on. Right on his neck. Because I love kissing my baby on his neck. I would kiss Louis, but he's brown. It's harder to see if it will transfer. So I'm going to kiss him now. Are you ready? Are you ready for me to kiss you? Ooh, no transfer. Let me kiss your forehead. Let me kiss your forehead. Oh, no transfer. Look at the forehead. I guess it works, guys. So this Lipsense Lip Color is a yes for me. Obviously, if you are sensitive and you have super sensitive lips and you scrub your lips a lot, it might sting you a bit, but buying the lip gloss also helps it, helps that kind of slight pain go away. The smell does go away as well, and definitely love that lip gloss, by the way. And I have to look into getting that remover because this is so Budge Proof that it's understandable that it's hard to come off, but I did manage to get it off with that e.l.f. remover. This is so cool. Yeah, guys, that was my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for my next video and stay tuned for next month's giveaway. So I will see you guys all next time, and thanks for watching, guys. Hey, sexy lady.